Choptown River to Cambridge, Maryland and the Little Choptown River. This is an extremely dangerous line of storms with wind gusts of at least 50 knots. Locally, high winds and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. This storm is producing frequent lightning. Stay below deck, if possible, and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will later report to the National Weather Service. The severe thunderstorm